Welcome back, HAPPYFUL people, as I continue making this beautiful DIY selfie frame in this two-part tutorial. If you have not seen part 1, please check the description box below. Right now I am just overlaying the frame with some blank papers. This is optional, but I wanted to ensure that the inner edges were covered. I am using some ponal glue to secure the paper. This is what it looks like, completely covered with blank papers. Next, I measure the cartridge paper to get the size for the strips. Then I folded each strip, after which I proceeded to cut them out with a pair of scissors. Don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who might be interested in making a DIY selfie frame, selfie booth. Here I have the perfect size strip that I will glue to each side of the frame, after which I will use a clear tape to secure the inner and outer edges. And now time for the decoration. So I am using this gift wrap paper, identifying the various designs that I will be using to decorate the frame. Valentine's Day is a day that lovers around the world try to impress each other by going the extra mile, doing something special for their other half. For me, I think this should be done daily, but in the spirit of just celebrating with the world, this is something that you can do. You know, it's a thought that counts, and when you put time and effort into making things, I think it's really adorable. As you can see, I am just taking my time to cut out these art shapes for the frame. Again, you can use any design, any pattern that you choose. I am just using art because of the sentiments that surrounds Valentine's Day. This frame can also be used for baby showers, weddings, parties, whatever events that you have planned. It all has to do with the finishing, right? So yeah, here I am playing around with the design, trying to figure out how to decorate this frame. I used the ponal glue to attach the various design pieces to the frame. I just played around with the decorative stuff until the frame was completed. And here you have the beautiful DIY selfie frame, and our lovely model is the beautiful Shenrika. She loves photo shoots, so she was, of course, my #1 choice. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and like and share, and stay tuned for more fun tutorials.